In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust your conditional formatting rules to only show icons instead of the icons and the numbers. So here we have a basic tables of salespeople with their sales as well as their profits with icons for their sales and their profits to better communicate visually if they have done a good or a bad job. Now, first I'm going to highlight the range where we have the conditional formatting applied to. Then I'm going to go to the Home tab, I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting, and then Manage Rules. Here you can see I have two conditional formatting rules. When applying to column C, when applying to column D, as there are two different ranges. So first I'm going to adjust the formatting rule in column C and click on Edit Rule. And then from here I can click on this checkbox right here to show only the icon. And click OK. And then here I'm going to go to the same thing, column D, click Edit Rule. And then as you can see, the rest of the conditional formatting rule is already applied to where I'm formatting cells based on their values using icon sets. And I can show only the icon by clicking Show Icon right here. Click OK. Click OK. And as you can see, now the table is only showing the icon as opposed to the icon and the number. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.